Man, this woman is guilty, clear as day. I still trying to find reasons to keep her out of prison. Is that what we doing? Honestly,
You need people like me. You need people like me so you can point your fucking fingers.
does she need to physically be pointing a weapon, confessing, doing backflips, butt naked, admitting that she lied? What do y'all need? What else do y'all need? I'm not even talking to anyone specifically, but I'm talking to everybody. Anyone who is still trying to defend her. What else do y'all need? What else? Everybody and their mama has pulled the files. Everybody is showing you receipts, examining, going deep within with research, flashbacks, autobiographies, and y'all still not convinced? Y'all haven't seen enough yet? Lock her ass up. Bottom line, lock her ass up. Y'all make me sick with this shit. See, this is different than, I don't know, Bill Cosby, Michael Jackson, or like this is hard evidence presented to you in your face. You saw the video, you heard the testimony, you read the affidavit. What else do you need? How much more do you need to see? She is not a good person. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating. No, I'm not. She's not a good person. She's not. So why are you still holding her hand? Lock her ass up. Her and everybody else who was involved. I can't believe we still doing this. This is exactly why these folks feel so entitled. Y'all keep giving them passes and passes. You know they wrong. You know they did wrong. So what's the holdup? Why y'all stalling? Is it that y'all don't want to see somebody that you admire go down, so you will do everything in your power to defend them to the very end, even though you know they wrong as hell? You would rather have a criminal out here making subpar music, shaking their ass, getting little girls to repeat the cycle. You would rather see that than to see someone who shouldn't be behind bars free. You know damn well he almost lost his life in there, but you still would rather her be free than him. What's the holdup? What's the stalling about? Someone please explain to me. What else do we need to see? What else is there? By tomorrow, or by the time you see this video, there's already going to be a dozen more videos proving how Tory Lanez is innocent and how she's guilty. So what are we talking about here? Really?